Hello Monarchs, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I did these spooky cute spider nails, continue on watching. I got my Gel X nail kit from Amazon, link down below. I got my nail tips, nail glue, UV lamp, and nail tip cutter, and all of this was only $10. Run to Amazon now. Starting off with my nail tips, I'm going to be using my electric nail filer to file them down. Time to file down my actual nails with a nail filer. Make sure you dust off all that residue from filing. Go ahead and grab your nail glue and UV lamp. We are going to start applying the first nail. I want you to look closely on how I apply the nail glue onto my nail tip. Now start off in the cuticle area and press downwards to the nail. Make sure to avoid creating those air bubbles. Cure under UV lamp. And we got our first nail done. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the rest of these nails. Now I'm using my nail tip cutter to cut them down to a square short shape for this set. I'm just kidding. Make sure you dust off all the residue from filing, and a very important step is to buff out the shine on the nail tips to apply nail polish smoother. The nail polish for today is Sally Hansen Color Camelot in the Extreme Wear collection and Wet n Wild Black from the Wild Shine collection. I will be applying Camelot onto my ring finger and black onto the rest. I will be doing another coat off camera. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be adding black glitter to all the black nails, and I'm going to be using my top coat as glue. For my ring finger, I'm going to be doing two designs, which is the spider web and the spider, using this angle brush to do the design, using Sally Hansen White On in the Extreme Wear collection. Now for the spider tools, it's just a dotting tool, brush, and black nail polish. Apply top coat to the nail and cure under UV lamp. Now to apply cuticle oil onto cuticle area, make sure you smooth it out into, you guessed it right, the cuticle area. Well, these are the nails. Let me know how you feel about these. Cute and spooky at the same time, if you ask me. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week for another, and most likely the last spooky nail set for the year. Bye!